बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। पहले हम करेंगे Arabic to Urdu, then we will do Arabic to English. Start.
الحوار الثالث والثلاثون
33rd conversation. هل أنت
هل أنت
مدرس؟
مدرس؟
क्या आप टीचर
क्या
हो?
आप टीचर हो?
अस्सलाम वालेकुम वालेकुम सलाम। खालिद, हल अंत मुदर्रिस, क्या आप टीचर हो? हसन, ला अना तालिब।
لا أنا طالب. नहीं, मैं स्टूडेंट हूँ.
أين تدرس؟
أين تدرस? कहाँ पढ़ते हो? أدرس في جامعة الإسلامية. मैं पढ़ता हूँ जामिया इस्लामिया में. माज़ा तदरुस? क्या पढ़ते हो?
अदरुसु
अदरुस लुग़त अरबिया. मैं पढ़ता हूँ लुग़त अरबिया. हल ततहद्दसु अरबिया जय्यदन? क्या तुम अच्छी अरबी पढ़ सकते हो? नाम अतहद्दसु अरबिया जय्यदन. जी, मैं अच्छी अरबी पढ़ सकता हूँ. लिमाज़ा ततहद्दसु अरबिया?
लिमाज़ा तदरुसु अल-अरबिया?
लिमाज़ा तदरुसु अल-अरबिया? क्यों तुम पढ़े हो अरबी को? अदरुसु अरबिया लिअफ़हमिल कुरान.
लिअफ़हमिल कुरान.
लिअफ़हमिल कुरान. मैं इसलिए पढ़ रहा हूँ अरबी ताकि मैं समझ सकूँ कुरान को. मासलामा.
Now we'll do in English. So the question is hal anta mudarris. It's a question word hal. So hal can be do or can be a helping verb coming to the start. Are you a teacher? So you are a teacher is a normal sentence. So when we make it a question, we make it are you a teacher? Hal anta mudarris?
Are you a teacher?
Are you a teacher?
Are you a teacher?
La means no. Ana talib. I am student.
I am student.
I के साथ हमेशा always am comes with I. I am student. Aina tadrus. Aina means where. So where do you study? Tadrus, ta is giving the meaning of you. Aina tadrus, where do you study? Adrusu fil jami'atil islamiyya. I study in Islamic University. Adrusu. Here it was tadrusu, so it was about person we are talking to, you, and now it is adrusu. Adrusu means I study. Hassan is saying I study. Fil Jamia in Islamic University. Mada tadrus. Mada means what? It's a question word. What? Mada means
What?
what? Mada tadrus. What do you study?
What do you study?
Adrusul Lughatal Arabiya. I study Arabic language.
I study Arabic language.
أدرس لغة العربية. هل تتحدث العربية جيدا? Do you speak? देखें यहाँ पर हल आया तो we make it do. See, here it is hal, so we made it do. But here when it was hal, it was are. So it all depends upon the situation. If the sentence has got a helping verb like is, am, are, so we make a question by putting is, am, are in the first place. It is a book. So is it a book? This is the way a question is made. So here هل تتحدث العربية جيدا? Do you speak good Arabic? Here we use do because there is no helping verb in the sentence. So it will be you speak good Arabic. So normal question is you speak good Arabic. So the question will be do you speak good Arabic? So answer is Naam. Naam means yes. أتحدث العربية جيدا. I speak good Arabic. جيدا is good. Or any other adjective we can use. So good is alright. لماذا تدرس العربية? لماذا is why. Why do you study Arabic? Why do you study Arabic?
Why do you study Arabic?
لماذا تدرس العربية? Why do you study Arabic? أدرس. I study. Alif أدرس. Ta تدرس you. أدرس I study Arabic لأفهم القرآن so that I understand Quran. I study Arabic so that I understand Quran. Ma'asalama, ma'asalama. Jazakallahu khairan. The description will have this whole conversation in English. So if you need the text, you go down in description, you see the English text there. Subscribe to the channel so that you get all the 50 hiwarat, conversation, mukalmat. Jazakallahu khairan.
Thank you very much.